Look, Hoodrich fam, at this point, I'm just trying to get rid of these goddamn hoodies. So when you purchase a hoodie, you will be receiving the Travel Hacking Off the Swipes ebook, the Shelf Corporation Age Corp Secrets ebook, all three for $39.99. Y'all tap in, link under the description for the website. What's good, Hoodrich fam, man? It's your boy Hoodrich, credit back again with another fucking banger, man. You feel me? Look, Hoodrich man, today I got a very special video for y'all today. Happy Sunday to all y'all folks out there. Hopefully y'all have a good Sunday. But we still got to drop the sauce, man. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down some certain institutions that you want to credit stack on the business side with Transunion. Okay, so these institutions will be pulling your Transunion. I always tell y'all, line up the institutions that you have that pull that certain bureau so you can credit stack on the business side. Okay, and remember, these business credit cards, they won't report to your personal credit. Okay, y'all, only the hard inquiry. That's why you got to stack them and you have to apply for them a certain way. You get what I'm saying? So some of you guys might have some certain gems, like I told y'all. Some of y'all might have relationships with local credit unions or local community banks that offer good business credit cards, right? That pull TransUnion. You know that they pull TransUnion. So do your research on that too. Not only these institutions pull TransUnion when it comes to these business credit card applications, okay, y'all? So another thing that I want to tell y'all before I break down these institutions, I recommend you to always go for the soft pull business credit cards first when you are credit stacking on the business side. The reason why is because think about it, right? That inquiry is not going to report to your personal credit, okay? The soft pulls, the ones that just do a soft pull on your TransUnion credit report, right? So get those out the way, apply for those. You got them out the way, okay. Now you go for the hard pulls. You line up two institutions. A lot of people tell y'all three. That's not going to work, okay? You have to do two. The reason why you can't do three is because what I want y'all to understand about this is you have to open up two tabs, right? You have to open up two tabs. If you open up a third one and you try to click apply on the third one, they're already going to see the first inquiry, okay? You're not going to be fast enough if you understand what I'm saying. So it's only going to work with two open tabs that pull from TransUnion, two business credit cards that pull from TransUnion, okay, y'all? For example, these two institutions right here, you line them up, apply. You fill out all the information, apply quick, because it takes about 5 to 10 seconds for that inquiry to post. On the third one, like I told y'all again, it's not gonna work, okay, y'all? So there's a limited amount of business credit cards you can stack. That's why I tell y'all go for the soft pulls first so you can get as much as you can from the soft pulls, okay, y'all? And then you go for the hard pull applications, line up two applications. So let's get straight into it, man. We're going to be breaking down these three institutions that I lined up for y'all. So first of all, we got the GN business credit card. So with this credit card, the reason why you want to apply, if you go with these three institutions that I lined up for y'all, right? If you go with these three, you're going to have to apply for the GM rewards first. The reason why is because there's a little trick to it, a little loophole. So with the GM rewards card, you can apply for it, right? And what you got to do is they will pre-qualify you. Now you freeze your credit report, you freeze your TransUnion, and you continue with the offer. Now you won't have a hard pull to your TransUnion credit report, right? And I recommend y'all to do all three of your credit reports frozen, because sometimes these institutions can get a little smart, especially with Goldman Sachs, because I've had an issue with Goldman Sachs in the past with the hard inquiry play on the Apple Card, because Goldman Sachs issues the Apple Card, okay, y'all? And y'all know how you could get the Apple Card with no hard pull to your credit report. But the thing was, I remember when I helped the homeboy out in the past, and I've said this multiple times on this channel, right? I froze his TransUnion only, right? Because that's where Apple pulls from. That's where Goldman Sachs pulls from. But they got smart and they pulled his Equifax credit report. So when you do this, freeze all three of your reports before you apply for this Goldman Sachs GM Rewards business credit card, okay, y'all? When you accept the offer, when you continue with the offer, okay, y'all? And then I say about less than a week later, like 5 days or some shit, unfreeze all three of your credit reports. Well, in this case, just unfreeze your TransUnion credit report, and you good. Now you on to the next business credit cards that I'm going to recommend y'all, okay, y'all? So if you're going with these three, go for the GM rewards. But you guys, like I said, might know some couple business credit cards that pull TransUnion that will be doing a soft pull first. So go for those first. You don't have to freeze your credit report or do none of that shit, right? Add on top of this credit stack if you guys understand what I'm saying, because off the dome, I can't really think of no other business credit cards that pull TransUnion that will be doing a soft pull. But some of y'all got the sauce, okay? Right now, I just can't think. So I just picked these three real quick. So yeah, y'all go for the GM rewards card. If y'all picking from these three, y'all go for that first. Then after 5 to 7 days, now you line up these two institutions that I'm going to be breaking down with separate tabs. Okay, so we got Univis. I'm telling y'all, Univis is a very good institution that you don't need no relationship. Okay, with the GM, you don't need no relationship with Univis. Okay, you don't need no banking relationship. They're a small institution, and most small institutions, they want to see a prior banking relationship for at least 3 to 6 months, something like that. But with Univis, no relationship, easy approval, no documentation. Okay, y'all. I showed y'all approval on my videos where I got one of my clients approved for, I think it was 20K approval, 25K approval, I forgot. But with Univis, no docs required. Okay, easy process. TransUnion hard pull. Okay, so if you are going to apply for this Univis card, remember, pull up 2 applications with this other business credit card with US Bank. Okay, I'm gonna break down the data points right now with US Bank, but pull up these 2 tabs if you are going for these 2 credit cards, right? Pull them up, fill in all the information, apply, go to the next one, apply quick. Okay, y'all, that's how you get these 2 cards, because like I told y'all, that inquiry takes about 5 to 10 seconds to post. So when you go to, let's say, the second application that you're going to click apply with is US Bank, they're not going to see the first hard pull of Univis because it hasn't registered, if you understand what I'm saying. And if anybody knows about this, right, it's because you want to do this hack, institutions don't want to see recent inquiries. Recent inquiries will get you denied. It's a red flag. You get what I'm saying? It's like you thirsty for credit. You need the credit. You get what I'm saying? So y'all understand that point from now on from watching my channel. So yeah, Univis, no docs required. Easy, high limit approvals. And the reason why you want to go with an institution like Univis is because, look, y'all, I only recommend y'all good business swipes. Top of the tier. Nobody knows about Univis. Who the fuck on YouTube is breaking down Univis? Nobody. I'm giving y'all the gems out here, these institutions that are slept on. That's why a lot of y'all watch me, because most people give y'all the popular cards, etc. But I'm giving y'all the low-key institutions that people are sleeping on. And look at the offers that they provide. Look, on the business side. Is this the business side? Yeah. 0% interest for the 6 billing cycles. That's pretty straight. This one is the real hitter. 18 billing cycles, 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers. You can leverage that card. Just like the GM business card, it has 0% interest for 12 months on purchases. Okay, y'all, 12 months, a whole year that you can leverage this business credit card. So both of these you can leverage. I always tell y'all, if you are going for a business credit card, it's kind of useless if it doesn't have a 0% interest offer. You get what I'm saying? It's useless, in my opinion, okay, y'all? Because there's certain institutions that offer, you know, some high limit business credit cards, but they don't come with 0% interest offers. So I just don't recommend you going for them. You get what I'm saying? Because you can't really utilize that business credit card because you're gonna have to be paying interest on that balance, okay, every month. So you want to carry a balance, you know, so your profit margins are larger with whatever business you are, you know, currently in, or any investment you are currently in. So yeah, GM business rewards and the Univis. Now we are going to US Bank. And I always tell y'all on this channel, US Bank is a little harder to get approved for, if I'm being honest with y'all. But the reason why I put this card on the list is because the offer that they are providing, okay? And another reason why is because they are pretty much a popular institution. So some of y'all might have a relationship already being built with them for a long time. So you guys are going to have a higher chance of getting approved compared to the average person that doesn't have a relationship being built on US Bank. And what most of you guys probably know already in the credit game, US Bank is a institution that are very big on relationship banking. You have to have a banking relationship with them if you are trying to get approved for funding, okay, y'all? In some cases, they might approve you without a relationship, but typically them limits are going to be lowered. You get what I'm saying? But if you prior to that had a relationship, you had deposits going in, they business checking or whatever, right? You had that personal relationship, you have a higher chance of getting approved with US Bank when it comes to their products. So what I recommend y'all to do, right, have deposits going in before you apply with them, right? At least 3 to 6 months prior if you are going to go with US Bank. Okay, y'all, so 3 to 6 months, have constant deposits going in. The more money you have to play with, that's even better. If you got direct deposits, set it up with them. That's how you improve your chances of approval and improve your chances of getting a higher limit with US Bank. But look at this card, right? 0% for the first 18 billing cycles. You could really utilize that. You get what I'm saying? Almost 2 years. So they have that card. I'm pretty sure they might have another offer here. Okay, so I'm guessing it's just a platinum card. So this is the card you want to go for. I always tell y'all, remember, if it doesn't offer 0% interest, it's useless. Even though they have that reward system, etc. I'm not really interested in that, if I'm being honest with y'all. It's the offer that I'm interested in. How long can I leverage this business credit card to take advantage on whatever business I'm in? Airbnb, Turo, event space, whatever you are into, man. I'm telling y'all could really utilize these business credit cards. So like I told y'all, if you are going for these three, go for the GM business credit card, then pull up 2 tabs, the Univis, and then the US Bank, apply. And if you guys know some soft pull business credit cards, like I told y'all, before y'all go for these 3, go for the soft pulls first, then go for the GM. Okay, then go for the GM, pull up these 2 tabs, Univis, and then US Bank. Okay, y'all, this is how you credit stack with Transunion. There might be some other better institutions that you might want to replace instead of US Bank. Univis is a hitter though. You get what I'm saying? Univis is a real good hitter because US Bank is a little conservative when it comes to lending. So it's a little risky, but this credit card is looking real juicy, if you get what I'm saying. So y'all might have another replacement for US Bank that will hard pull your TransUnion credit report. So try to find that. You get what I'm saying? If you know another business credit card that pulls TransUnion, you could replace it with US Bank. But yeah, Hoodrich fam, yeah, if y'all trying to go for this play, y'all can follow it. Yeah, I will be doing a video on experience. Some of y'all want a credit stack on experience side, and I'm dropping these videos because it's time to leverage. You get what I'm saying? It's time to boss up. I understand that you guys have good personal credit and you guys want access to these business credit cards, but y'all don't know the blueprint on which cards you want to apply for. So I got the sauce for y'all, Hoodrich fam. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all have a good day. The Hoodrich way. Gone.